Did you know that one of the most brilliant bank heists in history was solved by a single piece of chewing gum? In 1971, a group of thieves broke into a London bank through the sewers. They spent an entire weekend drilling into the vault, stealing millions in cash and jewelry. The criminals were so confident they even ordered food delivery to the bank. They had planned everything perfectly, from disabling alarms to timing security patrols, but they made one tiny mistake. One thief left his chewing gum stuck under a table in the vault. Police found the gum and extracted DNA from it decades later when technology advanced. The DNA matched a career criminal named Michael, who had always bragged about the perfect crime he pulled off. He was arrested at age 72, still living off the stolen money. The case became famous because it showed how even the smartest criminals can be caught by the smallest details. Sometimes the perfect crime isn't so perfect after all.